Hello everybody, let's do a beautiful Barbie dress using this colorful sheet of paper. Fold it from its both sides. Now flip it and again fold it like this. Fold it into half and we are going to make the pleats of the dress like this. And look, it is ready. Now fold it from its upward and make the top of the dress like this. Flip it and again give it shape from back side. Again fold it like this. Flip it again and look, your dress is ready. You can make more such dresses. We are also adding a pearl to it. Let's make a ninja star using this square craft paper. Fold it from its all four corners like this and again fold it like we are doing here. Press it like this and you will get this shape. Now we are going to fold all the four square shapes like this. Flip it again and fold it from its back side as well. Again we are going to flip it and make multiple folds like this, and look, it is almost ready now. We are going to fold this multicolor craft paper like this. Make multiple folds and look, you have to make a shape like this. We are making a beautiful crown shape here. So yeah, we are folding the paper like this and look, it is almost ready now. You can flip it and now open it like this and look, your crown is ready. You can add more details like we are pasting pearls like this and look, it is ready. Look at this multicolor craft paper. Fold it like this. We're going to make beautiful bracelet. Fold it like this. Now we're going to open it. Again fold it like we're doing here and look, you'll get a shape like this. Do this from other side as well. Now bend it and make a bracelet like this and look, it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.